Hey guys, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm giving you guys a quick 4.5 minute, 5-minute video of my 11-month update. I'm giving you guys this successful braid out I did, and I'm going to talk to you about what's been going on during this month. Not so much, actually. It's been a little boring this month. In this shot, I'm just spraying my hair with rose water just to give it a little moisture before I take it down. I'm going to spray my fingers as well to maybe prevent some friction when taking down my braids. I had these braids in for about 3 days. What I did was I washed my hair without braiding and banding. I know. But after I washed my hair, I put the braids in and I left it in for 3 days. So now I'm going to take it out. But back to my update. Nothing has been really happening this month. I still have the hands and hair syndrome. I am experiencing some shedding. I don't know if it's from the cold air because I'm up in Michigan. That hook tool helps me to take down the bands. It has like a little blade in it. But yeah, I'm experiencing some shedding. Of course, not as much as I did when I was a loose natural, but I am experiencing some shedding. Maybe it's from my hands and hair syndrome. But you know, after I took down my braids, I can see in my sink, you know, just little strands of hair. So does that happen to you ladies out there? Are you still experiencing a little bit of shedding still? You know, of course, not as much as being loose, but some shedding. I'm just giving you guys a texture shot or of the definition that I got there. Just a little bit of definition. I'm liking it. But yeah, if my voice is really hoarse because I teach, and I swear by Wednesday, Thursday, my voice is gone. Not by yelling, but just, you know, by projecting my voice across the room. So my voice is really tired. So I'm going to speed up the video here for you guys. I really enjoy doing this braid out. It turned out so pretty. I really liked it. So I'm just trying to fluff out that side of my hair. The left side is a real weak side. I don't know if you've seen my other videos. If you have, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, I encourage you to go back and watch it. But when I was a loose natural, you know, it was really thin on that side, and I just tend to touch that side a lot. So it's thin on that side. So I'm just gonna give you guys a shot of the back of my hair, shake it out a couple of times. Do you see that unevenness there? Like, it's really uneven. But I still love my locks. I still love them. I cannot wait to show you guys my 12-month update. My hair has grown and flourished and thickened up nicely. How have you guys been doing so far? Are you enjoying your journey so far? Is it everything you guys expected it to be? Like, I'm still loving my journey. I'm still loving what's, you know, going on with it. But yeah, about the bands, I've seen a couple of videos of, you know, some lock stars and ladies that I follow. One girl uses barrettes on her hair versus the rubber bands, and another girl uses rollers. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try that out versus using the rubber bands. So here it is. Here's my finished look. I just gave myself a bump, fixed my face a little bit, and you know, fluffed it out some more. And I really like that bump on the top of my head, on the front. I think it looks really elegant and pretty and soft, and it looks like I'm ready for a night out on the town. I appreciate you guys so much for coming and visiting my channel and following me on my update. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.